Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix mobile hotspot not working in Realme 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the option connection and sharing. Now click on it, and then on top you can see the option personal hotspot. Now click on personal hotspot, and then here you can turn on your hotspot. After turn on your hotspot, then check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your internet connection. After that, go back and scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and then here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings, and then enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button, and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.